Hi guys, we're here at the Access Company today and we've got a premium double door frame sat on the floor here, as you can see. We're just going to show you quickly how to put it together. We've started by laying the frame out. Got the joining bars in the middle, so the first thing to do is just push the frame together. This allows us to put the joining bars on. A key point today when putting the joining bars in is that we've got the slot that allows the budget lock to lock into the frame correctly. This must be aligned correctly with the slot on the frame. So we're going to come in with the slot on the bottom of the bar, slide it in and just locate it through the holes. And as you can see, the studs are now sticking through the front edge of the frame. Procedure now at the top, again, joining bar, make sure that the slot for the budget locks is located correctly with the slot for the budget locks on the frame. So at the bottom, just slide it in. Next, we'll take 4 of the serrated nuts that are provided with the frame. These allow for no washer to be used on installation, making it a much quicker job. We'll just do it up finger tight to start with. So now fitting the last 4 nuts onto the frame. Again, just finger tight. We will tighten these up once the frame is installed in situ, as it will allow us to gauge whether or not we need to pull the frames apart slightly, as we have tolerance to do so. These are an M6 nut, so you just need a 10mm spanner to tighten them up properly when finished. Now that we've got the frame joined together, we're just going to rear it up and offer it into the opening for the frame. Nice snug fit, the 5mm fitting tolerance all around. Now that the frame's in, we can see that the gap is nice and snug and I don't need to pull the frames apart at all. So we'll just go ahead, tighten up the slot bolts. We'll just do the same on the bottom. Job done. Please watch our other fitting guides on how to securely fix the frame and add the doors into the frame.